In this video, you'll learn the key steps to start a new Google form, add questions and options, and return to your saved forms. To begin, click the blank form icon to start creating a new form from scratch. Next, enter a name for your form in the title field. Next, edit the first question title to customize it, and type directly into the input field to add your own question content. To make your question interactive, add answer choices by clicking Add Option, selecting it, and then choose options like Option 4 to define possible responses. Next, click on Add Question to add a new question to your form. Then, type your new question into the question input to build your form step by step. After entering your questions, select answer options or add additional choices using the Add Option input field to expand your form's possibilities. Finally, return to the form's home page to view all your saved forms. Next, select the form you just created, then click on the form title. After that, go back to the home page. Finally, you can see that the form has been saved successfully. You've seen how to create, edit, and save your Google Forms. Happy form building!